Good morning, students. Let's start exercise 5.2. Okay, and this till Roman number 3 will be your test portion. Okay, so this is a very interesting exercise. You have to totally understand the basic concept. We all know how many directions are there in our, isn't it? We know how many directions. For basically, we have around 8 directions, but we basically considered 4 direction. What is it? North, south, east, and west. Okay, we all know this one, isn't it? We all know that we have 4 directions, basically north, south, east, and west. So here what we have to know that when we go, you know what is clockwise and anti-clockwise? Clockwise means how the clock is. If you see your wall clock, and if you see how your the hand of the clock is moving, it will move from like this. It will go, isn't it? When you see, it will move like this, the hand clock in this direction. Then it is called clockwise. Clockwise means same as how your hand your wall clock is moving, the hand of the wall clock is moving. Okay, clockwise means that. So I'll just make here. So clockwise means it will move in this direction, just like your hand clock. Okay, so in this direction it will move. What do you mean by anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise means just the opposite of clockwise. So it will not move in the clockwise direction, it will move in this direction, anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. So this is anti and this is clockwise. So first you have to understand this clockwise and anti-clockwise. So after that what you have to know then, when a direction is moving from north to east, okay, what this is, what one right angle, because you know how a 90 degrees form, isn't it? You have learned in class 5 also. So suppose let's take like this, and from north to east we can say that it is one right angle. One right angle means 90 degree, isn't it? One right angle is 90 degree. And then if you are told you are going to take two right angles, that means one is here, the other one is here. One is from north to east and the other is one from east to south. Okay, that means two right angle. Two right angle means 19 to 2, how much? 19 to 2 will give you 180 degree, isn't it? So that means two right angle is 1. Similarly, if you go three right angles, three right angle means 1, 2 and 3. That means 90 plus 90 plus 90. That means what? 270. 180, 90 into 3 is 270. So in this way you have to know. And the total 4 right angle means whole 1 clock revolution. How much? 1 clock revolution will give you 360 degree. You have to keep note that always one complete revolution is 360 degree. Okay, and what else you have to note is one right angle is equal to 1 by 4 of revolution. 1 by 4 of revolution. Okay, revolution. Why? Because we know that the total revolution is how much? 360 degrees, isn't it? And one right angle means 90 degree. So you will divide by 90. How much? 9 1 is 9, 9 4 are 36. That means 1 by 4. So directly you have to keep in your mind, okay, one right angle equal to 1 by 4 without solving this one. Okay, but I have explained you how you are getting it. Then if you are asked how much is two right angle, how will you solve? Two right angle is always equal to 1 by 2. Okay, how we are finding it? 1 by 2 of revolution. How we are finding it? The total is, we already know, 360 degree. The total always is 360 degree, and we are saying two right angle. That means 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Then if you cancel them out, 0 0 will be cancelled. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 are 36. So we are getting 1 by 2. Okay, in this way you have to keep in your mind directly one right angle. If you are told in the equation, directly you have to know 1 by 4. Two right angle, if you are told, 1 by 2. Okay, you have to kind of by heart it. And lastly, if you are told three right angles, how will you solve three right angles? Same, everything is always same. So you have to keep in mind that it is 3 by 4. How you are getting again? Similarly, again you will do the same 3. The total is 360 degree. Okay, and 3 right angle means 90 plus 90 plus 90. How much? 270, isn't it? That means 0 0 will be cancelled. Again 3 9 are 27, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So we are getting 3 by 4. Okay, in this way what you have to keep in your mind is very important is 3 right angles equal to 3 by 4. If you don't know how to solve this also, it's okay, but you have to by heart this one. Okay, very simple and important. 3 right angles equal to 3 by 4 of a revolution, 2 right angles equal to 1 by 2 of revolution, and 1 right angle equal to 1 by 4 of a revolution. And what you have to keep in mind, how this clockwise is moving and how this anti-clockwise is moving. Okay, this much only for this chapter. After that you can easily solve the exercises. Okay, we'll solve. Let's try exercise 5.2. Okay, exercise 5.2. Let's start. Number 1. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does a hand of a clock turn when it goes from what? 3 to 9. Number A is 3 to 9, isn't it? So let's start. We know number A is 3 to 9. Okay, I'll solve 3. Okay, and then I'll make you solve the other 3 as homework, because if you don't understand, then what to say, for me, what is the profit? I'm explaining you here, and if you are unable to solve at least 1 or 2 problems on your own, that means your concept is not clear. Okay, try to re-watch the video and try to solve it. Okay, so 3 to 9, how do you know? If you should I explain you with clock? Okay, I'll explain you with clock. Okay, so that it's more easy. You know 12 is here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So in this way the clock is moving from 3 to 9. Okay, 3 to 9. Now see how many right angles are here between 3 to 9. That means in clockwise direction, how many right angles are here? 2, isn't it? 3 to 6 will be the first one, and 6 to 9 will be the second one. So we are having total, what is the total revolution we have known? It is 360 degree. So total revolution equal to 360 degree. And then when the clock goes from 3 to 9, we are having 2 right angles. 2 right angles means what I have told you. 2 right angles means 90 plus 90, isn't it? We are having from 3 to 6, we can write, 3 to 9, 2 right angles. 2 right angles means 90 plus 90, isn't it? 1 right angle equal to 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, how can we find the fraction? Total is always 360 degree, and we are getting from 3 to 9, we are getting 180 degree. Now cancel it up. 0 0 will be cancelled. 18 1 is 18, and then 18 2 are 36. So our answer is 1 by 2. Okay, our fraction is 1 by 2. In this way you have to solve. Even if you don't draw the clock, you can easily solve it, because see, I have already told you in the previous lecture, that means in this previous previous slide. See, we already know 2 right angles equal to 1 by 2. See, what are we getting here? See, 2 right angles equal to 1 by 2. So our answer is also, from 3 to 9 we are having 2 right angles. That is why our answer is 1 by 2. Okay, this is a long process to solve, but if you already know how to how we are getting, then directly you can write we are having 2 right angles, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, very simple. To make you more clear, I am drawing the clock. Okay, next, number B, 4 to 7. 4 to 7. First you tell me directly how many right angles between 4 to 7. Between 4 to 7, how many right angles? Only one, isn't it? From 4 to 7 you are having only one right angle. So you can again write total revolution equal to 360 degree. Okay, and then one right angle, because between 4 to 7 we are having only one right angle. One right angle equal to how much? In the previous slide I have shown you, it is 90 degree. Therefore our fraction total is always 360 degree and then 90 in the above. So 0 0 will be cancelled. 9 1 is 9, 9 4s are 36. So our answer is what? 1 by 4. Very simple. If you know how many right angle it is forming, then you can easily calculate. Okay, hope you are clear. Or should I draw the clock also for you? No need to draw, but I'll draw for you so that you can understand and solve the rest of the question yourself. 7 8 9 10 11. So between, you are asked between 4 to 7 how many right angles? See, only one right angle is forming here. Okay, only one right angle is forming between 4 and 7. Okay, the next is 7 to 10. The next is 7 to 10. Here also, if you see, wait, okay, number C, 7 to 10. Okay, 7 to 10 is also only one right angle. So I'll solve number D, because in number C we are also again having only one right angle, because from 7 to 10 if you solve number C, it is having only one right angle. So I will solve a different one, so that 12 to 9. Okay, 12 to 9. So we already know. I'll draw again for you. You don't always need to draw the clock, okay, but you have to understand it. If you don't understand, then for me not a profit, because I want all you students to understand it. 12 to 9. What do you know? 12 to 9. Where will it start? 12, it is here, and it will go from 12 it will start like this, and it will go up to 9 here. Okay, so it will be like this. I'll make like this, but it will move all the direction. Okay, so 12 to 9, how many right angles triangles? Tell me. 12 to 9, how many right angle triangles? See, from 12 to 9 we will have 3. How? Because from 12 to 3 we'll have the first right angle triangle, and then from 3 to 6 we'll have the second one, and then from 6 to 9 we'll have the third one. We have to go from 12 to 9, isn't it? That's why we are having 3 right angle triangles. 3 right angle triangle means 90 into 3, that means 270 degree. And our total revolution we already know. Total revolution is 360 degree. Always total revolution is 360 degree. And for our fraction, how do you know? We will write 3 right angle equal to 270. We have found out 370. So our fraction, how much? Fraction means total is always at the bottom. 360 divided by 270. How much will you get? 3 9 are 27, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So we are getting 3 by 4 as our answer. Okay, very simple. If you understand how many right angles the clock is forming, then you will easily solve it. Okay, so let's the other be your homework. Okay, okay, let's start number 2. Here also I'll solve only 2. Okay, because I want you students to practice yourself. Some students always try to depend on the answers. Sir, what is the answer for this one? So I don't want you to be like that. I want you to solve yourself. Okay, number 2, where will be the hand of the clock? See what I told you last time. Now it will be very important. Okay, in this one I'll show you the slides. Okay, so starts at 12. Number A starts at 12 and what? Make 1 by 2 of a revolution. So in the first slide I have shown you what is the 1 by 2. How many right angles I have shown you, isn't it? See, 1 by 2 means how much I have told you in the first slide. 1 by 2 I have told you that it is making 2 right angles. Okay, so that will be now very important for you in the first slide. So we know you can write we always start with, in this clock we'll always start with total revolution. Okay, total revolution we know how much, 360 degree. Okay, so you'll say that when our hand of a clock starts at 12 and makes 1/2 of a revolution, it will rotate 180 degree. Two right angles, 1/2 revolution, you write like this, 1/2 revolution equal to how much I have shown you here in the first slide, isn't it? I have shown in 1/2 equal to 2 right angles. So you write 2 right angles. 2 right angles. That means how much? 1 right angles is equal to 90 degree. So 2 right angles will be 90 plus 90, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So now it will rotate 2 times from 12, isn't it? It will rotate 2 times from 12. 2 right angles. So if your clock is at 12 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, you don't always need to draw this, but for the better understanding I am making you draw. Okay, from 12 to 6 means from 12 it will start, and then it will what? Make 2 right angles. The first will be up to 3 and the second one will be up to from 3 to 6, isn't it? So where will it stop? The hand of the clock will stop at 6, isn't it? From 12 to 3 is the first right angle, from 3 to 6 is the second right angle. So the clock will stop at, the hand clock will stop at 6. Therefore we will write the hand of the clock, the hand of clock will stop at 6. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, very simple, isn't it? If you understand how the clock is starting. Hope you understand. One more I'll solve for you. So for your better understanding, always I want you to, okay, number B, again starts at 2 and make total revolution. You write again, always you start with total revolution equal to 360 degree. Okay, now the clock is saying again, see, half of a revolution. Already we know half revolution equal to how much? 2 right angles. That means 2 times it will rotate. 2 right angles. 2 right angles. That means 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where is the clock saying? In the question it is saying starts at 2. It will start at 2 and then make 1/2 of a revolution clockwise. Clockwise means in this direction, isn't it? Clockwise. So it will start at 2. That means the first angle will be where? It will go at 5. The first right angle will be at 5, isn't it? And what about the second? Second, make another 180 degree, students. That means it will again go from 5 to second right angle will be up to 8. The first one will be here and the second one will be here. So 90 degree here again and 90 degree here. 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree, which is 2 right angles. So where it is stopping? From 2 we start and then 2 right angles we are going up to 8. That means the hand of the clock will stop at the hand of the clock will stop at 8. Okay, easy, very easy. Between this 90 degree, how much we are having? We are having 1, 2, 3. See, 190 degree equal to 3. 1, 2, 3 and then again 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you are hard to understand how it is going. Okay, the last one, Roman number 3. Okay, number 3A. We are now, the direction is coming north, south, east and west. North, south, south, east and west, isn't it? If you see the question, now it is saying that we are, which direction will you face if you are start facing at east and make half of a revolution. Half revolution means how much, students? Half revolution equal to always equal to 2 right angles. Two times we have to turn. So now if you are standing at east, sorry, we are standing at east. I'll just write S for standing. No, I'll just write standing. Standing at east, and then how much we have to make in the question. See the question, it is saying half of a revolution. Half means what? 2 right angles. That means 2 times we have to go. This is the first one, 1, and the second one here. So when we make half revolution, we are at the west. So you write the question answer west. Okay, very simple. 2 right angles, we have to turn 2 times from where we are standing in clockwise direction. If it was anti-clockwise, students, how will you go? You will start from this direction. Okay, anti-clockwise means this direction. Okay, hope you understand. Very simple. Number B, we are again standing at east, north,